guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix ROG Ally not charging. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you have an ROG Ally here and it's not charging, there are a few things that you could try. So first is you might want to reset the USB-C port. So in this case, first you want to turn the device completely off here. So you want to press and hold the power button for about 45 seconds. Now, in this case, this is supposed to reset the USB-C port. Then after that, try turning it on normally. Try by pressing the power button again. If it doesn't work the first time, try holding the power button again for about 45 seconds one more time. Now, once it boots up, plug in your charger and see if that start charging it again. Now, another thing that you could do here is you might want to try a different charger. So if that doesn't work, there's a chance the charger or cable could be the problem itself. So try using a different charger, ideally one that meets the power requirements for the ROG Ally. Also, check the USB-C port on your device for dust, debris that could be blocking the connection. And also, make sure that your ROG Ally here is using the appropriate devices. So for example, use like cords or chargers that are from ROG themselves, or was specifically made for the ROG Ally. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.